Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Finder and locating the folder you need. This establishes context so you can act quickly. Once Finder is open, use the sidebar to jump to Desktop, Documents, or Recents, and make sure Path Bar is visible to see locations. Click View Show View options to set List, Column, or Icon View. This determines how you scan files. From here, start selecting files with click, shift-click, or command-click to form the exact set you will manage. Next, you organize and manipulate files to prepare them for use. Drag items into folders or create a new folder with Command-Shift-N. Once done, apply colored tags to group related files, which helps Spotlight find them later. Use Copy and Move via Command-C and Command-V or drag between windows. Compress large sets into A. Zip to save space. For sharing and permissions, select a file and choose Get Info to set read/write access, and make sure to confirm changes before closing the window. Finally, you complete the workflow by sharing and safeguarding your files. Use AirDrop for nearby Macs or iPhones, or move files into iCloud Drive to share across devices. For email, attach from Finder directly. Backup with Time Machine or export copies to an external disk on a regular schedule so recovery is simple. If something goes wrong, check trash first, run a Spotlight search, and confirm iCloud sync status. If files still missing, restart Finder or sign out and back into iCloud to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.